Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to Architutors. Today, we're turning this sketch into a 3D render using Google's Gemini Nano Banana tool. Yes, banana. I don't know why either.
Banana!
So here's the deal. Gemini and AI Studio lets you build your own apps. I built this canvas for rendering. It's got all the fancy stuff. Scene type, architecture style, lighting, textures. Basically, it's Tinder for buildings. You swipe, it renders. No heartbreak. Anyway, I drew this little shelter. Looks like something you'd build if you were stylish, broke, and stuck on a beach. Let's see if AI can make it look like I actually planned it. Let's upload the sketch and set the mood. Exterior scene. Brutalist style, because nothing says romance like raw concrete. Environment, coastal. Weather, stormy. Time of day, dusk. Hit generate, and boom, instant drama, like my last relationship. Look at that. Gemini does its thing in seconds. No 3D software, no modeling, no crying in Rhino. Just me, a sketch, and a banana-flavored AI. And the best part? I added color correction and basic image enhancement tools, so you can tweak contrast, saturation, and lighting before download. Basically, it's Photoshop Lite for architects who hate menus. Let's try another one. This time, forest scene, rainy weather. Because nothing says I'm deep and mysterious like wet trees. That feels like an adult thing to say. Anyways, hit generate, and there it is. Looks beautiful. A moody forest render that looks like it belongs in a very expensive coffee table book. So yeah, this is how I do quick renders now. Fast, fun, and no software-induced migraines. I'll drop a full tutorial soon on how to build your own canvas, unless I get distracted by Formula One. I love Formula One.
Around the outside and nearly dropping the car!
Like, share, and subscribe. That's all for now. Go enjoy your day, your night, or whatever time zone your coffee's still working in. Thank you.